Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to put a custom watermark logo on your YouTube video for the subscribe button. So this is my channel right now here. Let's go in one of the video and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm playing one video right now. Good. So on the bottom there is a one image. When you hover the mouse over there, you'll see the subscribe button, and if you click there, it will subscribe the channel for you. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this one. It is very important to do because if you put YouTube video on the YouTube and people are watching it, it's easy for them to subscribe the channel from right here instead of going from inside. So let's go and see how to do this. So for that, let's go to the YouTube studio first. Then you can go for customization. Under customization, here you will see the video watermark. So I need to change my watermark as well. So let's do on the same time so that we can see the changes, everything. So there is a three option in of the video, custom start time or entire video. So I like the entire video so that the people can subscribe at any time whenever they are watching instead of for certain time. So this is on the end of video. This is for a certain time. So I'll choose the entire video and I'll change the subscribe logo to this one. So you can frame it nicely. Click on done. Then after that, you can publish it. So it is already published. So go to the channel. Now, if we go and play one video, let's see the changes. It's mainly for the stuff that watermark logo has been changed, which was black before. Now it's changed to white. So it is finally applied to all of the video. If you go and check the older video as well, the logos will be changed.
Let's say you have 50
and it will appear in all of the video.
K in cash.
So here in that video too, I just skipped the advertisement. So in that video too, there is a watermark logo with the new one. So it is applied all in all of the videos. So this is how you add the watermark logo in your videos. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.